I attend Hillcrest High School. For extracurricular activities, I participate in volleyball, beta club, and also upper round trio. I chose Reid State for my dual enrollment experience because it was also actually like here in Evergreen, and I could physically come to the campus, and they had a whole bunch of classes I could choose. I wanted to become a pediatrician, so taking classes here helped me get to that point. It helps me get all my credits that I need for high school and college while doing it all in one setting. I would say my favorite part was my CNA class. It was very interactive and hands-on. Academically, I can kind of see like where I lack on and where I need help on before I actually go to college. But I took the CNA class, and now I'm currently employed at Andalusia Manor, so it helped me a lot to me because some of the things that we learn here, like when you go into orientation over there, some of the things they're kind of taught different ways, and you can kind of put both of them together to make it better. Really help you. And right now I'm on my sophomore year in college, so I feel like that's really like a big deal because you're already 1 year done while you're still in high school. I would say dual enrollment is a plan that helps you get ahead in college. Everybody here, they're very like interactive. Like it's not a corner that you turn where you don't get a hello or how are you doing. And they're very helpful when it comes down to your schoolwork, like with tutoring options and things like that.